Ms. Evans has a 2-pound package of flour. She uses 2/5 of the flour to make a pie. She then uses 3/10 of the remaining flour to make bread. Find the weight of the package of flour that she has left. Express your answer as a decimal. This is a very difficult problem, but let's work through it. So first we're going to take the 2-pound package of flour and we're going to subtract the 2/5 of the flour, but we need to, at that point, figure out what 2/5 of 2 pounds is. So 2/5 of 2 pounds is actually going to give me 4/5 of a pound of flour. So now I'm going to, and that's for the pie. So I'm now going to take my 2 pounds of flour, but I'm going to convert that to be 1 5/5, which is the same thing as 2 pounds. I subtract the 4/5, which we've used for pies. I've got 1 1/5 pound left. Now it says 3/10 of the remaining flour to make bread. So 3/10 of 1 1/5, which I will convert to be an improper fraction, or 6/5. When I multiply those, I get 18/50. If I divide them by 2, I'm going to get a simplified 9/25 pound for bread. So now I need to subtract that from the 1 1/5 pound that's left to figure out how much is left total. So I have 1 1/5 minus the bread, or the 9/25. I'm going to convert my 1 1/5 back to 6/5, and then I'm actually going to multiply it by 5/5, so it's in 25ths. I now have 30/25. I subtract the 9/25, and I have 21/25 of a pound is left. But they want it as a decimal, and when you convert to a decimal, you need to have your denominator be in 10, 100, or 1,000. So I'm going to multiply by 4 and end up with 84 hundredths. I write that as 0.84 hundredths of a pound is left.